Okay, so now we're actually going to start playing. Some of you may or may not have the musical knowledge for this already. Once again, I'm going to go into this in super fine detail, just in case there's some real beginners out there who don't know the keyboard at all, which is fine. You got to start somewhere. So what we're going to do is we're going to learn how to find C on a keyboard. There's more than one C, actually. There's like a pattern. Okay, if we look at the black notes, right, we got white notes and black notes. We look at the black notes, they repeat 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, etc. Okay, you play the white note that is exactly to the left of the group of 2 black notes. Okay, these are 2 black notes. You play here, that's C. Now, if you're on a normal piano, like 88 keys, it's going to be the 4th C. We actually call it C4. That's known as middle C. If it's like an organ or a synthesizer with like only 5 octaves, 61 notes, then it would be C3. It's the 3rd one. Okay? And it sounds like this. It's a middle, very middle sound in the middle of the keyboard, basically. Right? So we're going to put the thumb of our right hand on middle C. Now we're going to go 1 C below that, right? So we're going to look at another group of 2 black notes. We're going to hit the white note right here below it. And we're going to use our pinky finger of the left hand over there. Okay, this is like our basic position for a bunch of our first basic exercises that we're going to do. We're going to be using this position, so it's important for you to know how to find the C. Okay, we number our fingers in the piano from 1 to 5. 1 is always the thumb. Very important, be it the right hand or the left hand. 1 is the thumb, 5 is the pinky finger. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so we have 5 in the left hand and 1 on the right hand on C.